Hi, John here. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your SMTP settings inside of Survey. Now what I'm going to assume is that if you're using a third-party provider like Mailgun, SendGrid, MailJet, Elastic Email, Spark Post, etc. Those are a few that you've already configured your sending domain inside of that account. So for this demonstration I'm going to use Mailgun, and I've got the details I need excuse me, saved inside of Notepad so that I can just paste them in. You can probably see it here on my page. So I'm going to copy the SMTP hostname and I'll just put that in this box. I know the port is 25, which is pretty well a standard unless you're using encryption, SSL and these other things that are mentioned in here, but I'm not going to use those. Right, so I'll go back in here and I'll get my SMTP login or the username, so that goes in this box, and then I go back and oops, get the password, copy that and paste it in here. As I say, I'm not going to use any of this encryption. And in here I'm just going to use my email as the from email. I could put anything in here that is a valid email, and it's best to obviously use an email that does actually exist as well, because otherwise if someone replies to the email and you're using something in here where you haven't got an email account set up, then of course that email isn't going to get delivered to you. So do use one that you have set up. So the next thing I need to do is click on verify, and then I'll just wait, and you can see I've got the success message and it's telling me click on the save button to then save these details. So I'll just do that, and now that is done. It obviously takes you to another page, but if I go back into the settings you'll see it has changed very slightly, because now you've got this disconnect SMTP. That is what you would use and click on to clear all the details and get it set up with a different SMTP account. Thanks, and hopefully that will help people with setting up their SMTP. Thanks and bye for now.